Rajaji National Park, located in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, is a pristine wildlife sanctuary and a renowned national park. Established in 1983, it spans across the districts of Haridwar, Dehradun, and Puri Garhwal. Named after freedom fighter and statesman C. Rajagopalachari, popularly known as Rajaji, this park forms a part of the Shivalik Hills and offers a glimpse into the vibrant biodiversity of northern India. Geography and landscape. The park covers an area of 820 square kilometers and is part of the Rajaji Tiger Reserve. Its diverse landscapes include grasslands, riverine forests, broadleaf mixed forests, and sal forests. The park lies along the foothills of the Himalayas and serves as a critical corridor for wildlife, connecting the western and central Himalayan ecosystems. Flora. Rajaji National Park hosts an extensive variety of flora, influenced by its climatic and altitudinal diversity. Forest types. Sal forests dominate the region, interspersed with mixed deciduous and riverine forests. Grasslands. Vast open grasslands support a range of herbivorous wildlife. Unique plants. Indigenous species thrive in the park's diverse ecosystems, although specific species lists require further exploration. Fauna. The park is celebrated for its incredible array of fauna, including mammals. Elephants, a flagship species for conservation, Bengal tigers. Leopards. Sloth bears. Wild boars. Himalayan black bears. Indian jackals. Civets and mongooses. Bird life. With over 300 bird species, the park is a birdwatcher's paradise. Notable species include great pied hornbills, crested kingfishers, and bar-headed geese. Reptiles. Cobras, pythons, and monitor lizards are commonly spotted. Amphibians. The park is home to several species of frogs and toads. Conservation efforts. Rajaji National Park plays a vital role in tiger and elephant conservation. It is part of Project Tiger and serves as a significant habitat for the Asian elephant under the Elephant Conservation Project. Efforts are ongoing to manage human-wildlife conflicts, protect endangered species, and maintain ecological balance. Tourism and attractions. Rajaji National Park offers eco-tourism opportunities such as jeep safaris. These provide a chance to explore the diverse wildlife and landscapes. Birdwatching. With a rich avian population, it is a favorite among ornithologists. Adventure activities. Trekking and camping attract adventure enthusiasts. Tourists can enter the park through various gates like Chilla, Modichor, and Ranapur. Nearby cities such as Haridwar and Rishikesh offer additional attractions, blending spiritual and natural experiences. Challenges. Despite its beauty, the park faces threats like habitat degradation, poaching, and increasing human activity. Conservation initiatives focus on mitigating these challenges to preserve the park's unique ecosystems. Rajaji National Park is a treasure trove of biodiversity, offering a haven for wildlife and a retreat for nature lovers. It continues to inspire conservationists and tourists alike with its majestic beauty and ecological importance. Geography and landscape. Rajaji National Park lies in the foothills of the Himalayas, covering an expansive 820 square kilometers. Its terrain is a mix of sal-dominated forests. These dense forests are characteristic of the Shivalik region and form a large part of the park. Grasslands. Open grasslands provide habitat for herbivores such as deer and elephants. Riverine belts and streams. Numerous rivers and streams, including the Ganga, flow through the park, contributing to its rich biodiversity. Shivalik Hills. As part of the Himalayan foothills, the park's rugged terrain adds to its ecological uniqueness and scenic beauty. This combination of habitats supports a variety of ecosystems and makes Rajaji National Park a critical wildlife corridor between Corbett National Park and other forest reserves. 2. Flora. The flora of Rajaji National Park is typical of tropical and subtropical zones. Sal trees. The most dominant vegetation type, sal forests offer dense cover for wildlife. Broadleaf forests. Mixed deciduous forests with trees like teak, rahini, and jamun support diverse fauna. Riverine vegetation. Near water bodies, plants like grass species, reeds, and shrubs thrive, offering nesting grounds for birds and small mammals. Unique flora. The park is home to medicinal and rare plants, although further studies are needed to catalog these species comprehensively. 3. Fauna. Rajaji National Park is celebrated for its remarkable wildlife diversity. Mammals. Elephants. The park is an important elephant habitat and a part of the Elephant Conservation Project. Tigers and leopards. Apex predators like Bengal tigers and leopards thrive in the park's dense forests. Himalayan black bears and sloth bears. These species inhabit higher and lower elevations, respectively. Other mammals. Jackals, civets, wild boars, sambar deer, barking deer, and nilgai, blue bulls, are frequently spotted. Bird life. Rajaji hosts over 300 bird species, including migratory and resident birds. Notable species: great pied hornbills, crested serpent eagles, and various kingfishers. Seasonal migrants. Birds like bar-headed geese add to the park's avian diversity in winter. Reptiles and amphibians. Reptiles. Cobras, Indian pythons, and monitor lizards are some common reptiles. Amphibians. Frogs and toads, particularly in monsoon seasons, thrive in its wetlands. Aquatic life. The rivers and streams within the park sustain fish species and provide habitats for amphibians and waterbirds. 4. Conservation significance. Rajaji National Park is a key site for biodiversity conservation. Tiger and elephant protection. As part of Project Tiger and the Elephant Conservation Project, it safeguards 2 iconic Indian species. Wildlife corridors. It connects wildlife populations across northern India, ensuring genetic diversity and migration routes. Anti-poaching measures. Strict laws and regular patrols aim to reduce poaching activities. 5. Tourism and attractions. The park attracts eco-tourists and wildlife enthusiasts. Jeep safaris. Guided tours allow visitors to explore the park and observe its rich biodiversity. Birdwatching. The variety of bird life is a significant draw for ornithologists. Cultural heritage. Nearby Haridwar and Rishikesh provide spiritual and cultural experiences, complementing the park visit. Adventure activities. Trekking, nature walks, and river activities are popular around the park's fringes. Entry points such as Chilla, Modichor, and Ranapur provide easy access for tourists. Chilla, Rajaji National Park. Chilla is one of the key zones of Rajaji National Park in Uttarakhand, renowned for its rich biodiversity and serene natural beauty. Located near Haridwar, it serves as a popular entry point for visitors exploring the park. Geographical significance. Chilla lies on the eastern side of the park, bordered by the Ganga River on one side and dense forests and grasslands on the other. Its proximity to Haridwar makes it an easily accessible destination for eco-tourists and wildlife enthusiasts. The area is known for its tranquil surroundings and picturesque landscapes. Wildlife in Chilla. The Chilla zone is a hotspot for wildlife sightings, offering a chance to see a diverse range of species. Mammals. Asian elephants. Frequently seen near water bodies. Tigers and leopards. Apex predators inhabit the dense forests here. Sambar and spotted deer. Commonly observed in open grasslands. Sloth bears and jackals. Bird life. Migratory and resident birds like kingfishers, vultures, and bar-headed geese are abundant. Reptiles and amphibians. Cobras and pythons are among the notable reptiles seen in this zone. Activities in Chilla. Visitors to Chilla can engage in several activities. Jeep safari. A primary attraction, allowing tourists to traverse through dense forests and grasslands to witness wildlife up close. Nature walks and bird watching. The diverse habitats attract bird watchers and nature lovers. Photography. Scenic landscapes and abundant wildlife make Chilla a favorite for photographers. Accommodation. The Chilla Forest Rest House, along with eco-resorts in the vicinity, provides comfortable stays for tourists. Many of these lodges are strategically located to offer stunning views of the Ganga River and forest areas. Conservation efforts. As part of Rajaji National Park, Chilla plays a crucial role in conservation. Initiatives include anti-poaching measures, habitat restoration, and promoting ecotourism to balance human activity and wildlife preservation. Chilla is a must-visit for those seeking a combination of adventure, wildlife, and the serenity of nature. Its unique blend of forest and riverine ecosystems ensures a rich and memorable experience. Ganga Bogpur is a small village located in the Yamkeshwar block of Puri Garhwal district in Uttarakhand, India. It serves as a vital gateway to Rajaji National Park, specifically to its Chilla range. Known for its natural beauty and strategic location, Ganga Bogpur combines ecological richness with cultural and rural life. Geographical significance. Proximity to Rajaji National Park. Ganga Bogpur is one of the entry points to the Chilla range of Rajaji National Park, making it an essential location for tourists and conservationists. Scenic location. Nestled between Haridwar and Rishikesh, the village is surrounded by lush forests and the Ganga River, providing stunning views and a serene atmosphere. Rivers and forests. The region is rich in flora and fauna, supported by its location near the Ganga and dense forested areas. Wildlife and biodiversity. The village's proximity to Rajaji National Park makes it part of a biodiverse ecosystem. Animals like elephants, leopards, deer, and sloth bears often inhabit the surrounding areas. The bird population includes several migratory and resident species, such as kingfishers and vultures. The flora reflects the typical vegetation of the Shivalik Hills, with sal forests and mixed deciduous trees. Local life and economy. Agriculture and livestock. The primary occupation of the villagers is farming and animal husbandry. Tourism support. Many locals participate in tourism activities by offering guiding services, accommodations, and eco-tourism initiatives. Tourism and accessibility. Base for safaris. Ganga Bogpur's location near Chilla makes it an ideal base for tourists exploring Rajaji National Park. Activities. Visitors can enjoy wildlife safaris, birdwatching, trekking, and cultural interactions with the local community. Connectivity. The village is easily accessible via road from Haridwar and Rishikesh, making it convenient for tourists visiting these spiritual hubs. Conservation and challenges. The village is critical to conservation efforts as it lies near protected areas and serves as a buffer zone for wildlife habitats. However, the area faces challenges such as human-wildlife conflicts and the need for sustainable development to protect its natural resources. Ganga Bogpur stands as a testament to the harmony between humans and nature, offering a unique experience for those seeking tranquility and ecological exploration.